So now next in this video we learn about declaration of function. How we declare a function. So whenever we declare a function, right, we need to pass some arguments to the main program sometimes. Or there are also functions which do not, for them we don't have to pass any arguments, right? The communication point from the main program to the function is the arguments which we are passing, and from back to the main program is the a value is returned from the function to the main program, right? So therefore a function definition essentially contains the type of the data which has to be returned by the function, and then function name. That may be any meaningful name you can give to the function depending on the operations or task performed by this function, and the variable which are passed through the main program to the function, and that data type of each variable is defined and the name of the variable are defined. That is any number of variables you can define, right? Generally when we define a function and its scope is global, once we define a function in a program, that can be used anywhere in the main program, right? Once declared, the function can be used anywhere in the file as I told earlier, or if it declared as header file, it can be even used within the different multiple files if we include that header. And when we declare a function, it provides information to the compiler about function signature, allowing it to perform type checking during compilation, right? This is the role being played by the function. It gives the role of a or signature of function, right? So that will be checked during the compilation. So as I already explained, function definition, right? Syntax I defined. It contains function header, function body, right? And this is the typical syntax that we explained in the previous slides. And also this function includes the statement blocks along with the return variable. This is from whatever the executions happens here, value calculated, you may pass the required variable to the main program. And when you write a function, you must keep in mind that the number of arguments and the order of arguments in the function header must be the same as that given in the function declaration statement. For example, if you see here in the one example we see, so this is a function we have declared. So how many are there? Two number of variables are there here, and when I'm calling this function, right, so the order number and order of variables must match. Whatever the value I give here, number 1 and number 2 is assigned to, number 1 is assigned to A and number 2 is assigned to B. That is the same order the values are assigned here. You cannot write two variables here and only one here. Or if you interchange, if you interchange to number 1, right, then also it will cause error in the final output. Therefore, you must keep in mind that for this function, what should be the value of A and what should be the value of B, right? In this case it is simple addition. You can interchange this num2 and num1, and in some particular types of the cases, for example division, it is there right? If with these two, if you interchange, right, so instead of A by B, it will become B by A. So there, during that time, result what you get may be erroneous, right? This is what should be kept in mind when we write the program, right? So in this video we discussed about the function declaration and function definition, and also you could see here how the function is be called from the main program.